Hello and welcome. Thank you for checking out this channel. Thank you for all of my loyal subscribers. I am very thankful and grateful for all of my loyal subscribers. For the people who do not know me, my name is Rochelle, and I have been online for over a year building a YouTube channel. I have just recently started to get into the affiliate marketing, and I create video tutorials that will help you to grow your business online. Why should you listen to me? I am a self-made marketing strategist, and I have learned many tips, tricks, and secrets that I share all the time. Are you looking for ways to navigate through the affiliate marketing jungle? I am too. And as I am going through the jungle, I am creating videos, step-by-step tutorials to help you to be able to create what you need for your affiliate marketing business the fastest, most cost-effective, Can I help you grow your online presence? I don't know, that's up to you. I can only share what I have learned that has helped me to be able to grow online. And I know there's a lot of hype out there, and I know that they say that you have to always be excited and full of energy and throwing it out there, and I am and I try really hard. And if you're not, that's okay. If you are willing to watch the video tutorials that I make, and I do it step by step so that you can follow along as you're watching the video, it can really help you to be able to grow your online presence. And I always say, I give you just the facts. Let's get down to business. I know there's a lot going on right now, especially with the COVID-19. I'm not saying the word. I don't want to feed into all of everything that's going on. You know, we still have to continue. We still have to move forward in our life in one way or another. And for me, it is creating these videos to be able to help you to be able to grow your online presence. I haven't always been in affiliate marketing. I actually just started this for 2020. And it is a jungle. But as I learn, and after you do things over and over again, and if something is very repetitive, then you learn how to do it quicker. You learn how to do it faster, and then it just becomes second nature. And that's what I'd like to show you in these videos. Even if you're not used to being online, if you're not used to making videos, if you feel a little bit nervous, that's okay. Because so am I. I am nervous all the time. But in becoming an affiliate marketer, They say that you don't really have to put yourself out there and you don't really have to make videos if you don't want to. But why wouldn't you want to? If you are an affiliate marketer and you stand by your products or your services, then you're going to use them yourself. You're not going to talk about something that you know nothing about. That's what I can offer you. I can offer you the knowledge that I learn as I learn it. So enough about me. Let's get back to the video. The universe doesn't want me to shut it off yet, so I guess I'm still here. So who am I? When you are building a YouTube channel, you have to know who you are. You have to know what it is that you can share with people online. What type of value can you add to somebody's life or their business? While building my YouTube channel, I have learned a lot. And I say yes, I've learned a lot of tips, tricks, and secrets, but I've also learned a lot of very practical things. And in building a YouTube channel and then rebranding the channel and turning it more into being affiliate marketing has not been easy. And it's taken a lot of research. And I just want to do this video here for my loyal subscribers to know what's going on with my channel. I think that it's important that if a person is subscribed to a channel and if they're interested in the videos, if they're interested in the person, then they be interested in knowing what's going on with the channel. So this video is to give you an up-to-date as to what is happening with my channel and what is happening with you as a subscriber. As you know, I have the DIY affiliate community still, and I have the DIY affiliate community playlist. I have a number of different membership sites, and I've just started building some other websites to do with the best survival foods business, which is my affiliate marketing business, in which I will be marketing emergency preparedness, and it has everything to do with what people would know as the 72-hour kits, what people would know as the 5-year drinking water, or other things that you will be able to use in the event of an emergency. And while doing that, I sort of got a little bit off track, especially with my channel. And this is what I wanted to talk to you about today, is that if you don't know what you are on your channel, if you don't know what you're doing on your channel, then people who are subscribed don't know that either. And they subscribe for a certain reason, because mostly they listen to your introductory channel trailer, and that says a lot about what your channel is about. And then when you don't do what you say that you're going to do on your channel, and I am guilty of that, and my only excuse is life has gotten in the way. You know, it's the way it is. I am a human being, and there's been a lot that's going on, and I feel sometimes I don't live up to what I say that I'm going to do on my channel. So in a way, this is also an apology to my loyal subscribers. And I have lost a lot of subscribers, but that's okay, because it depends the reasons why I have lost them. you like what I do on my videos, if you listen to this video, and I can tell by my Google, or not my Google, I can tell by my analytics, just my YouTube analytics, and some other information, and also Social Blade. I can tell who is actually watching my videos and who is interested in my channel. And that means a lot to me because I can see you. I know who you are. And I go over to your channel, and sometimes I like some of your videos, and sometimes I listen to your videos, and I listen to your playlists, and I see what you're doing. And if you're communicating with me and I see you coming up in the comments, then I'm going to do more with your channel. And for people who want to become an affiliate, I know when there's a lot of people that say you can make thousands of dollars a day as an affiliate, and they put up these videos and everything, and they're doing it. I'm not doing that right now. I'm in the learning stage. And as I am learning and gaining the knowledge that I need to be able to share the knowledge with you as you are learning, because this affiliate marketing channel that it is right now is for beginners. And I am a beginner, but I'm also a go-getter. Are you a go-getter? When I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't use a script. And then I started using a script. But in using a script, it lost a lot of the personal touch. So in this video, I am just being myself. There is no script. If I take a moment to pause, like I just did right now, I apologize for that. I am 60 years old. That's not an excuse, but I'm not in my 20s, or my 30s, or my 40s, or even my 50s. I'm in my 60s. And if you are in your 60s, or if you are in your 50s, or your 40s, or whenever you are starting your affiliate marketing business, then I welcome you. Do you hear that music playing in the background? That's the Sofa Show Ancient Tone 417, and another one that I have, yes, it's 417, and the other one that I have playing is 741. And it really helps me to be able to focus, believe it or not, on what I'm doing. I didn't intend to make this video. It just happened. Today was a universe day. And a universe day means that the universe kind of directs me and shows me what I need to do. And I just follow. And it's amazing the things that you would see and the things that you would do when you're just letting go and you're going with the flow. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. It is something that I am going to be doing more often, because I think that it's important to let people know that you are human. You are a human being. And it's for people who are your subscribers, they want to know who you are. And it's so much easier to let people know who you are by just talking to them. You know, even though you may be talking to your camera or you may be talking to your webcam, you're still talking. And you're still being who you are. And that's the most important thing, is to be who you really are. And especially with affiliate marketing, you can't be fake. You cannot promote something that you don't believe in. I know I can't. Well, anyways, until we hang out again, have yourself a wonderful evening. Bye for now. This is unscripted. Even this part. And I lost my mouse.